Hello everyone, welcome back to Progress in English. In today's video, we are going to test your understanding of see, look at, watch, hear, and listen to. Let's begin. But first, let's see what each word means and when should we use it. See. For example, I see many things in this room. The word see is a non-action verb. It means when you see things that happen naturally because your eyes are open. It is a physical reaction, not a planned action. Next is look at. For example, I'm looking at the clock. I want to know the time. Look at is an action verb. It is a planned or purposeful action. You look at something for a reason. Next is watch. For example, Bob is watching TV. Watch is an action verb. The word watch means to look at something for a longer time. Next is the difference between look and watch. You look at something for a short time, while you watch something for a long time. For example, a game or a movie. Our next word is hear. For example, I hear music from the next apartment. The music is loud. Hear is a non-action verb. Hearing is an unplanned act. It shows a physical reaction, not something that you choose to do. Next is listen. I am listening to music. I like to listen to music when I study. Listen to is an action verb. Listening happens for a purpose as you pay attention to the sounds. Now let's start the quiz. Question 1. I didn't dash what happened because I was facing the other way. The correct option is D. C. Question 2. Before crossing the road, always dash both sides carefully. The correct option is C. Look at. Question 3. I couldn't dash what he said because of the background noise. The correct option is A. Hear. I couldn't hear what he said because of the background noise. Question 4. They sat on the balcony to dash the fireworks display. The correct option is B. Watch. Question 5. I've never actually dashed a solar eclipse in real life. The correct option is D. Seen. Question 6. Could you please stop, dash your reflection and focus on your work? The correct option is C. Looking at. Question 7. We could barely dash the singer's voice from the back of the hall. The correct option is A. Here. Question 8. She loves to dash documentaries about history. The correct option is B. Watch. Question 9. I wasn't really dash the movie, it was just playing in the background. The correct option is D. Watching. Question 10. You should dash your pronunciation if you want to sound natural. The correct option is C. Listen to. Question 11. From the window, I can dash people walking in the park below. The correct option is A. C. Question 12. We were dash the stars when we suddenly saw a shooting one. The correct option is B. Looking at. Question 13. Did you dash the announcement about tomorrow's meeting? The correct option is D. Here. Question 14. He prefers to dash music rather than talk when he's driving. The correct option is C. Listen to. Question 15. If you dash closely, you'll notice that the two paintings aren't identical. The correct option is A. Look at. Question 16. From our hotel room, we could dash the lights of the city below. The correct option is B. C. Question 17. I wasn't paying attention, so I didn't dash her coming into the class. The correct option is D. C. Question 18. He stood by the river to dash the boats passing by. The correct option is C. Watch. Question 19. Sorry, could you repeat that? I wasn't really dash. The correct option is A. Listening. Question 20. Even with the door closed, I can still dash their conversation. The correct option is B. Hear. Question 21. Let's go outside and dash the sunset together. The correct option is D. Watch. Question 22. I tried to dash the painting carefully to understand its meaning. The correct option is C. Look at. Question 23. You'll have to speak louder. I can't dash you from here. The correct option is A. Here. Question 24. I dashed her speech twice because it was so inspiring. The correct option is B. Listened to. Question 25. We dash a strange man standing near the gate last night. The correct option is C. Saw. That's it for today's video. I hope that you learned something new and I'll see you next time. Bye.